Get the SUVs. You're on it.
I'll be in the backyard of the property. Cause problems.
We got regulars. And they were assaulted about 10 minutes ago. One of the questions, male blank, light skin, Rove, 62180 blank, jogging suit with a 33 on him, threatened to call her with it. Left in a blank denali, tinted windows. Yes, he's still driving around the area looking for the caller. Again, 10 minutes old on this traffic report.
9020, partial code 1 again.
20 talking on 21 echo. ST copy. Just chopper copy. Jerry. Daniel copy. Nothing much additional on this 33 blank and alley and it's about a break blank. 50, you can add me to that. This is 1A. Wendy's.
Arkansas UASI6. UASI6. I kind of need to talk to county.
Hang on just a second.
Okay.
What's the address of your emergency?
Hey, I am on 321 and I'm following a possible intoxicated driver. He keeps driving off the road on the shoulder. His whole car has passed over the median or over the yellow line several times.
What kind of vehicle is it?
Oh, let me check. We're currently eastbound 321 out of Cabot. It's I believe it's a gray sedan four-door. I can't get the make or model. It's got a specialty tag, Union Adam Sam Ida 6. It's a Scion TC.
All right, I'm gonna put you over to state police because you're on a state highway. I'm also gonna have my guys en route as well. Okay.
Okay. Hey, he's turning left onto Dogwood, northbound.
Arkansas State Police Emergency.
Hey, I'm following a possible DUI driver. He's been off the road a few times and across the yellow line. We're currently...
Vehicle description and license plate number if you have it.
It's a silver, I want to say it's a Scion. License plate, Union Adam Sam Ida 6.
10-7-10-42.
And that's Union Sam Adam Sam Ida 6?
Sorry, Union Adam Sam Ida 6. It's a specialty tag.
Okay, and what's your location?
We're northbound County Road 323, Dogwood Lane. Yep, and he keeps driving off the road.
Okay, let me see if I have any units in that area, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Bye-bye.